Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the environment ready. Install the latest Xcode and sign in with your Apple ID so certificates can be created. Once done, copy the MLBB project files into a clean workspace and open the Xcode Proj or XC workspace immediately. Make sure your iOS device is connected and developer mode enabled in settings. This lets you test directly. Now, don't pause, switch to the project navigator, and locate the target settings to begin configuration. Next, you configure signing and build options so Xcode can compile correctly. Change the bundle identifier to your reverse domain string, pick your team, and let Xcode manage provisioning. Enable capabilities like app groups or network if MLBB needs them. Then install or update dependencies, CocoaPods, SBM, or custom frameworks, and resolve any bridging headers or module imports. Make sure deployment target and architectures match your device. Once these changes are applied, finally build and run the app on your connected device, watching the console for immediate runtime issues. Address missing resources, entitlements, or framework load errors as they appear. When you need distribution, create an archive, validate signing, then export for ad hoc or App Store following the organizer prompts. If anything breaks, the key troubleshooting step is to reset signing. Revoke problematic certificates, recreate them in your developer portal. Download fresh provisioning profiles, reselect them in Xcode, then restart Xcode and retry the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.